In exactly 7 days, the most important date in modern horology arrives. 14th of April 2026. Not just because of Watches and Wonders, but because this is the 100th anniversary of the Rolex Oyster. While everyone else is panicking about discontinued models and market meltdowns, the most successful collectors are doing something else. They are positioning themselves. Welcome back to LuxePulse. Today, we aren't looking at what's leaving, we're looking at the 5 watches on the golden list. These are the models that are currently undervalued but are positioned to explode the second the Geneva curtains rise. If you want to beat the post-show price surge, this is your final 7-day window. Let's get into the smart money picks for 2026. Number 1 is the breakout star of last year that is about to become a permanent icon, the Rolex Land Dweller. When Rolex launched the Land Dweller in 2025, it was a shock. An integrated bracelet sports watch with the high-frequency Dynapulse escapement. Right now, the secondary market has stabilized after the initial hype. But in 7 days, we are expecting Rolex to expand this line with new honeycomb dial colors, specifically a deep British racing green. The moment that new color drops, the demand for the first-generation 2025 models will skyrocket. Buying a black or white dial Land Dweller today is like buying a 5711 in 2010. It's the entry point to the new era of Rolex design. My second pick is a neo-vintage masterpiece that is currently the best value in the catalogue, the Explorer 216-570. 2026 is trending toward classic proportions. We are seeing a massive shift away from oversized 42mm beasts back to the 40mm sweet spot. The 16570 is the last of the best. It has the modern 3-1-85 movement, but the slim tool watch profile that collectors are craving. As rumors swirl of a new 40mm Explorer 2 being announced next week, the original 40mm models are going to become the blue chip buy of the summer. You can still pick these up for a fraction of a GMT price, but that window is closing fast. Next, we have to talk about the most sophisticated watch Rolex currently makes, the 1908. For the Oyster centenary, Rolex is expected to bridge the gap between their dress watches and their legendary waterproof heritage. We are predicting a 1908 Perpetual calendar in platinum. Why does this make the current gold 1908 a buy? Because it validates the 1908 as a high-complication platform, not just a Cellini replacement. When the 1908 becomes the home of Rolex's most expensive movements, the entry-level models will see a massive prestige boost. If you want a piece of the new Rolex legacy before the prices catch up to the hype, this is it. We cannot talk about 2026 without mentioning the 70th anniversary of the Milgos. The Milgos was quietly removed in 2023, but 2026 is its 70th birthday. Whether Rolex brings it back with a new Dynapulse movement or keeps it in the vault, the Z Blue dial with the green crystal is now a certified future classic. It is the most un-Rolex Rolex ever made. It's colourful, it's technical, and it's finite. With no new models in production for 3 years, the supply is drying up. If a new Milgos is announced next week at a higher price point, these discontinued legends will be the first thing to jump in value. Finally, the sleeper hit that is about to go mainstream, the titanium Yacht-Master 42. Titanium is the material of the decade for Rolex. For the centenary, we expect RLX titanium to expand into the Submariner or GMT lines. But the Yacht-Master was the pioneer. While the world is distracted by the Pepsi and the Coke, the titanium YM is sitting there as the most wearable, most advanced tool watch in the lineup. It is currently under the radar, but as Rolex leans into high-tech materials for their 100th year, this watch will be seen as the turning point for the brand. The next 7 days will change the market forever. You can either watch it happen, or you can be part of the move. We are currently on the road to 1,000 subscribers before the doors open in Geneva. If you found this golden list helpful, hit that subscribe button and join the LuxePulse community. We're going to be dropping daily updates from the floor of Watches and Wonders, giving you the real-time data you need to win in 2026. Which of these 5 is your must-buy? Are you going for the New Age Land Dweller or the classic 40mm Explorer? Let's talk in the comments. The countdown is officially on. I'll see you in Geneva.